Kate with Sallie Tomato, and today we're going to create the Leanne laptop sleeve. This pattern has been designed by Leanne McGiveron, a talented member of our Cork of the Month Club. She works in an information technology during the day, and at night and her time off, she's a textile artist and photographer, so very talented. Leanne has designed this project in 3 different sizes, so it fits your laptop and your tablet devices, and it's simple construction, so it's great for a beginner-friendly pattern. The magnetic snap flap closure will keep your laptop secure, but it also works as a mouse pad if you want it to. So let's start at the work table. Before beginning, please review the recommended fabrics on the back of the pattern cover. We'll be using a raw edge construction, so the fabric should not fray when it's cut. Measure your tablet or laptop to select the proper size for your device. You'll need 1 main fabric and 1 contrast fabric. You will also need 2 magnetic closures. I'm using the invisible round sew-in magnetic snaps so that I can use the flap as a mouse pad, but you may prefer the magnetic snaps that are visible. Then gather a few handy notions and tools: rotary cutter or scissors, Sulky 40 weight polydeco thread, clover wonder clips, chalk or removable marking pen, basting spray, basting tape or glue, paper tape, a stiletto, a zipper or narrow foot, and a Teflon foot, which helps you stitch smoothly over cork and faux leather fabrics. Alright, you're ready to cut out your fabrics following your pattern instructions. You may find it helpful to label your pieces as you cut them by marking the name of each piece on the wrong side with a removable pen or chalk. Trace or photocopy the pattern pieces found on page 3 in your pattern to create templates. If printing or copying these pieces, print at 100% or actual size. Position the smaller circle template in all 4 corners of the front panel. Trace the outer edge of the template from edge to edge, and then cut along the marked line to round each corner. Repeat the same process to round both left-hand corners of the inside panel and back panel with the same small circle template. Next, round both right-hand corners of the inside panel and the back panels with the larger circle template in your pattern instructions. Now install the magnetic snaps. Again, I'm using the sew-in magnetic snaps, so I'll be marking the wrong side of the inside panel fabric. I'll position each half of the snap against the wrong side and hold them in place with paper tape, or you could use basting tape. Insert a new top stitch needle into your machine and set the stitch length for 3 millimeters. Then top stitch close to each magnet using a zipper or narrow foot. You might find it helpful to mark the magnet sides that attract, keeping them properly paired when your laptop sleeve is complete. If you prefer using magnetic snaps with prongs, mark the snap placement on the right side of the inside panel, then install the female half of each magnetic snap at each intersecting mark. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel for a detailed video tutorial on installing this hardware. With wrong sides together, center the magnetic snap cover, covering the wrong side of the magnetic snaps. Use basting spray or basting tape to hold the fabric in place. And be sure to check out our tutorials for installing both styles of magnetic closures.
Top stitch the snap cover in place, sewing an 1/8 inch from all 4 sides. Be conscious of the magnetic snaps as you sew. With wrong sides together, align all edges of the inside panel and the back panel. Use basting spray and wonder clips to hold them together. With right sides up, align the left, top, and bottom edges of the inside panel with the back panel. Use wonder clips to hold the layers together. Alright, now top stitch an 1/8 inch around all the sides of the inside panel. After top stitching, test the sleeve to see how your laptop fits inside of it. If there seems to be extra room that your laptop doesn't fit quite snugly enough, top stitch a second line around the entire piece, 1/4 inch from the edges for reinforcement. Your Leanne is complete and ready to go to work.
I hope you had fun sewing your Leanne laptop or tablet sleeve. I'd like to thank Leanne McGiveron for designing this great accessory. It looks terrific and keeps your devices clean and protected. We'd love to see your completed project, so use hashtag SallieTomato and hashtag Leanne Laptop Sleeve to share a photo. And be sure to check out our Cork of the Month Club for the newest Cork fabrics. I know you're going to love them, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks for joining me.